In February 1959, 9 experienced Russian hikers set up camp on a remote mountain slope, known today as Dyatlov Pass. Something terrified them so much that they cut their tent open from the inside and fled into minus 30 degrees Celsius blizzard, many barefoot or in socks. Their footprints led away into the snow, but stopped abruptly. Weeks later, searchers found their bodies scattered, some crushed with massive force, tongues missing, one with severe skull damage, and traces of radioactivity on their clothes. Witnesses reported strange orange orbs glowing in the sky that night. Official cause, compelling natural force, like an avalanche. But no avalanche evidence. And why flee half naked? Theories rage. Secret military tests. Infrasound panic. Yeti attack. Even aliens. 65 years later, it's still completely unsolved. What do you think happened? Comment your theory below.